To start, open the Cash app on your phone. By default, Cash app offers two themes, light and dark, which automatically adjust according to your phone's system settings. But now, there's a fresh option, the pink theme. To unlock it, you'll need to order the pink Cash Card. First, tap the Cash Card icon at the bottom of the screen, then select Get Free Cash Card. Here, you'll find the pink card option. Choose it. You'll notice a message that says Matching App Theme Available, meaning that once you receive and activate the pink card, the pink theme will become available in the app. Follow the steps to order the card, and keep in mind there's a small fee of about $5. Once your card arrives, activate it by opening the Cash app, navigating to the Cash Card section, and following the instructions to activate your card. After activation, tap the profile icon in the top right corner, go to Settings, and scroll down to find the Theme or Appearance option. This may be under Personalization, depending on your app version. In the theme settings, look for the pink theme option and tap to enable it. If you don't see the pink theme option, make sure your Cash app is updated to the latest version via your App Store or Google Play Store. Updating the app should unlock the feature if it's available for your version.